Hi folks, Bob from Fusion. Today what we're going to do is go over the ambassadors and give you an update on what's going on there. I know we've had a lot of people emailing in and out about the program. We've had a whole mess of you sign up, which has been tremendous, and we really appreciate all that. But we're building a platform for this, so it's taking a little bit longer than we expected. We're using AI, we're using all the new technology that's out there to actually build this site so that all the ambassadors can work together. The whole two-way community who's part of the ambassador league, if you want to call it out there, can work together and work on their B-roll. They can download videos. They'll be able to share comments with us. We'll have industry newsletters going out weekly and ambassador type newsletters going out weekly on what's hot, what's not, what's going on at Fusion, what's new, and all the opportunities that will be coming up for all of you. So we have to manage this properly. And one of the biggest things is when we look at how many people signed up for our ambassador program, it is hundreds and hundreds of you guys. And this is just USA. And now we're spreading globally to Europe and Asia and all these other areas. It becomes quite a complex web of all these different people and gun tubers all over the world. And some specialize in certain things, and some people, to be honest, guys, some of the gun tubers are not really gun tubers, okay? There's guys that, you'll see them on my YouTube page. They'll be like, oh, you didn't send me a free gun. Yeah. If you look at your channel, it's like an automotive channel, and you've done like 2 gun videos. I don't know what you expect. Or another dude with a furniture channel. So you get these people. So we've got to weed all that out. And we've worked amongst you for quite a few years now. We know who are the serious guys who really are doing the right job and things of that nature. But again, we're working these things now. We're learning on how to progress with the ambassador program so that we all can benefit from it. The Fusion benefits, you benefit, and the two-way community will benefit. So please just relax, give us the time to set this up properly. Trevin's working like a madman till 2-3 o'clock every morning trying to set up certain parameters and computers and everything else, new websites for not just the ambassador program, but for Fusion Global, a whole mess of other things that are going on here, guys. So it's not just Fusion one gun 1911 or an XP Pro or an XF Pro. It's a big plan that's coming together right now, and I'm happy you are all part of it. But again, let's just take the time, be patient. We'll get to everyone. You'll see what opportunities you'll have, where you fit within the structure, and I'll explain it more in more detailed videos coming up. We're also going to be having instructional videos on how to use the portal. That way, when you get on there, you're not, what's going on? And it runs, we already have some beta testing going on, and I know some of you have already helped us with that, and that's been real good. We still have some improvements to make sure everything is working properly, but it's a very simple system. You can leave notes, you can drop videos, and then we'll get notified. So we know that XYZ just left a note over here. Let's go respond to it. Let's check out what he's doing, whatever. Or, hey, Bob, I need B-roll for the new comp. Can you send me that? Where is it? Those type of things. So again, it's a powerful communication channel that we'll all be happy to use. And it runs similar to an Instagram feed. And it works really nice. So again, Trevin's been working so hard at this, and I know we haven't had as many videos out as we normally do, but again, we're working so hard behind the scenes right now. And I know a lot of things until the actual product is delivered, if you want to call it whatever it is, a firearm or a piece of software, people are like, where are you? Where are you? It takes time, guys. It's trial and error, and we're all learning these things, just like me in my video editing. I'm learning too. So again, there's a lot of exciting things going on. We're really happy that you're all part of this. But again, be patient, because it's growing right now. Active collaborations. We've got 13, 14 of them right now going on. but there's a structure to what we want to do. We're not just shotgun things and sending guns out and hoping people know what they're talking about or whatever. No, everybody's going to be educated properly. Everybody's going to have the same information. What you do with it as a ambassador and as a gun tuber is going to be up to you. Are you going to educate yourself? Are you going to use the tools properly to really grow yourself? This is what this is all about. It's not just about just Fusion. It's about the 2A community and where we're all going to be able to place ourselves. So again, a lot going on. I'll give you more details coming up, but please just be patient. You'll be happy with the results. And again, there's a lot of really cool stuff coming up, guys. We've got stuff planned out for the next 24 months. Just, you're going to blast your socks off. So there's a lot of great things going on. So, all right. So have a good day. Thank you so much. And again, be patient. We'll get back to you soon.